WWE has forever been home to some of the biggest risk takers, daredevils, and the most amazing innovators of offense to ever grace the squared circle. In today's WWE, no one superstar embodies that fighting spirit more than the boom drop himself, Kofi Kingston.
Nice move by Kingston. Kingston, wow!
Kofi Kingston has unleashed a controlled frenzy, channeling his energy into high-octane offense.
You can't take your eye off the action, especially when it comes to Kofi Kingston.
But before the boom dropped on opponents throughout the WWE, one man's fury engulfed the competition.
This dragon's come too far breathing fire for any man to stop me.
Ricky the Dragon Steamboat's combination of speed, power, and technical acumen astonished crowds by defeating the legends of his generation.
One of the most respected and talented athletes.
The dragon is just literally flying around that ring.
A master of offense, Ricky Steamboat was in a class of his own. Until now. What if the spring-loaded superstar Kofi Kingston crossed paths with the martial arts guru Ricky Steamboat? What if these innovators were to clash in a once-in-a-lifetime encounter?
Things are about to change. The dragon is breathing fire.
See, I've been fighting all my life. I fought for myself. I fought for my family. I fought for my pride.
Boom, boom, boom! This young man lights up an arena.
But you can bet that I'm going to be giving you my best shot.
You and I are going to have a match.
Would the fearless and excitable nature of Kofi Kingston overtake the technical skills and heart of Ricky Steamboat? Or would the fire-breathing dragon cause trouble in paradise? Now, WWE Universe, the power is in your hands. Kofi Kingston, Ricky the Dragon Steamboat. Whose innovative offense will propel